A family has two children in terms of gender. What are the possible outcomes for the older child and the younger child? All right, we're going to make a tree diagram, because why not? Well, the first child can be a boy, or the first child could be a girl. And the second child could be a boy or a girl. So notice what happens is in a tree diagram, we are visualizing all the possible ways, all the possible outcomes. So for instance, to travel along this branch, we would say boy, boy. And then to travel along this branch, we would say boy, girl. And then over here, we would say girl, boy. And lastly, girl, girl. So we can have boy, 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 girl, girl, boy, girl, girl. Now, this question is saying, what are the possible outcomes? And we got 4 of them. But by saying what are the possible outcomes, they want to know what they are. So this is what you would give them. However, if they said how many there are, you would say 4. And notice we have 2 ways to have the gender of the first child and 2 ways to have the gender of the second child. And here means to multiply. The reason and here means to multiply is because we are doing more than one thing. We are having a first child and a second child. So that's a very important thing. When you are, when you have the word and, either stated or implied, and you are doing more than one thing, you multiply. If, on the other hand, it was pick a card from a deck, what is the probability that the card is a jack and a heart? You don't multiply, because notice I said pick a card, meaning you're only picking one card. So if and is stated or implied and you are doing more than one thing, you multiply. If you're only doing one thing, you find the intersection. Big difference.